episode of Bangin Gears, we're going to put the boom boom back in the zoom zoom. So stick around. You're thinking, why the hell would anybody put a radio in a car like this that makes beautiful music all by itself already? And the truth is, I'm not. I'm replacing an old one that never worked with an upgraded, more practical one that I can use for my iPod and my cell phone. That's why today we're at Safe and Sound Mobile Electronics in Manassas, Virginia. Let's go inside, talk to Rich. Hey Rich.
Hey Frank, welcome to Safe and Sound.
Thank you so much for having us here today. I really appreciate it.
Our pleasure, thanks for coming.
Do you think you could take a little bit, just take a little time and tell everybody a little bit about the products and services you guys offer?
Sure, we're a traditional car audio store, which would include speakers, amps, subwoofer, new radios, remote engine starters, full video systems like flip-down monitors in your back of the car, or headrest monitors for the kids, custom lighting, which would include light bars for Jeeps and fog lights and accent lighting, interior lighting.
During the summer, you guys do a lot of window film too, right?
Most stores have computer plotters that can print out your whole car. I don't know about your Cobra, but
yeah, I got no windows. I got one window.
Okay, you're just not that. So, but most cars we can print out, both front windows, back windows, even windshields. You can literally print it out, and then it makes for a super clean installation.
That was amazing. You guys just are a complete one-stop shop, and you guys can do everything under one roof. It's just fantastic. And speaking of which, think we can maybe go in the back and take a peek at what he's doing to my car?
Sure. Come on back.
Thanks, man.
Hey Frank, I'd like to introduce you to Jason. He's the tech that's working on
How you doing, Jason? Nice to meet you. So, could you tell us a little bit about your process on how install actually works? And is there a difference between like a vehicle where there's no radio at all, like say like an off-road vehicle that you're putting a brand new system in, compared to a vehicle where you're just pulling stuff out and replacing stuff?
Well, sure. In this case, so far the most difficult part has been cutting through the metal plate that the original device was on. Secondly, we got to run wires from the back to the front. You'll have to cut out holes for the new speakers that are going to go in here.
Have you come across any issues? Do you foresee any problems?
Well, the only issue I could see is that the spacing of these 6.5 up here going into a 5 1/4 inch hole, it may hit where that's curving up a little bit, but that's about it.
Okay. Cool. All right, well, you know what? I'll let you get back to it. Awesome. I appreciate you chatting with us, and thanks a lot. You bet. So, Rich, what are you guys selling in my car today?
Your car is a little unusual compared to most. Often we would do a multi-channel amp that runs front and rear speakers and a subwoofer in factory locations. But your car is almost one of a kind. We're going to use a marine radio, which is much smaller than the average radio, and that's why we're using it, because it's a really unusual size opening you have. And not only that, with no roof of any kind, this thing can take direct spray. You can spray it with a hose. It is 100% waterproof.
Wow, that's great.
Same goes for the JL Audio speakers that we're putting in the back. They're a marine grade speaker that you can also spray with water. And we're also going to add a JL Audio marine amplifier. It's a little miniature amplifier that we can stash under the dash. So it's going to keep the whole thing pretty stealthy, I think.
Really
cool. Should be pretty loud even for such a loud car.
And I'm looking forward to it because I've been caught in the rain too many times, and I've been stuck where my phone has died and didn't have a USB port to charge anything. So I'm really looking forward to this. I really appreciate it. So, but I know it takes a couple hours for you guys to do your thing, so I'm gonna go get some lunch and I'll check back with you later. Okay?
All right.
Cool.
See you in a bit.
Thanks, man. You got it. So after a few hours, I'm finally back home, and I couldn't be happier with the way things turned out. We got a brand new radio, AM, FM, Wi-Fi, satellite, 2 USB ports, and the sound was just phenomenal. So I'd like to thank Rich and Jason from Safe and Sound Mobile Electronics in Manassas, Virginia, for allowing me to film there today and taking the time to talk to me and explain to me about their process. So if you like this episode, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, let me know your thoughts and any ideas you guys have on future episodes. And I hope you have a great day, and we'll catch you next time on Bangin. Here.